Everyone trusted Apple and talked to Alexa until a $70 device changed the game, making smart homes inexpensive and uncomplicated. This is the story of how IKEA beat Apple and Amazon in the smart home market. But first, let's look at some lies that everyone's bought into about smart homes until IKEA changed everything. The smart home lie everyone bought into. Smart homes were sold as the future, but ended up delivering nothing but complexity. For years, the smart home market has been dominated by Apple HomeKit and Amazon Alexa. These ecosystems promised convenience, but delivered fragmentation, forcing users to choose sides. IKEA's smart home strategy challenges that narrative by focusing on affordable smart home devices designed to work together regardless of platform. Instead of building another closed ecosystem, IKEA made a radical decision, one that directly undermines big tech's advantage. So, let's take a look at this company that brought massive disruption to the market. More than just furniture. You might know IKEA as the place where you assemble your desk or wardrobe. However, over the years, IKEA has been gradually expanding its presence in smart home technology. For some time now, it offered the trad-free smart lighting ecosystem, affordable bulbs, plugs, sensors, and remotes that could be controlled from an app or a gateway. These products were cheap and functional, but still needed gateways and sometimes workarounds to connect with Apple HomeKit or Amazon Alexa systems, a challenge that IKEA's new smart home vision solved. What makes this so interesting is not just the price, but what it enables. The Dirigera Hub is a small puck-shaped device that connects your IKEA smart products and allows you to control them centrally. That means it can serve as a central smart home brain that works across ecosystems, Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and more without requiring separate hubs for each brand. When an IKEA device like this costs about $70, and competitors like Apple HomePod Minis or Amazon Echo devices typically cost significantly more, you start to see why headlines are saying Apple and Amazon are losing to this device. It's not about raw processing power. It's about connectivity, compatibility, and value for money. Matter is the future of connected homes. It is a universal smart home standard backed by major tech players. With Matter, devices from different brands can work together smoothly, which has been a long-standing challenge in the smart home world. But not just that. IKEA's Dirigera Hub supports Matter, meaning it can talk to Matter-compatible devices, whether they're IKEA smart plugs, motion sensors, or third-party products from other brands. Many smart home ecosystems still struggle to offer full Matter support natively, or they reserve it for higher-end products. But IKEA's decision to build Matter into a $70 hub turns heads because it democratizes access to this universal standard. So what else makes IKEA's $70 smart home device special? Thread networking. The Dirigera Hub doesn't depend only on Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It also supports Thread, a special type of network built just for smart homes. Think of Thread like a team instead of a single connection. Each smart device helps pass messages along so everything stays connected. If one device goes offline, the others find a new path. This makes the system more reliable and reduces connection problems. Thread also uses very little power. That means devices last longer, respond faster, and can work across a bigger area of your home, even rooms far from your router. Apple and Google already use Thread, but usually in expensive smart hubs and premium devices. IKEA doing the same thing in a $70 hub is an exceptional move. It brings high-quality, reliable smart home networking to people who don't want to spend a lot of money. In simple terms, you have better connections, fewer dropouts, lower power use for a much lower price. But how is IKEA able to sell such a unique product for an affordable price? Why IKEA's smart home pricing changes everything. Affordable smart homes invite participation and catch the interest of many people, so it's safe to say that they make their money from the turnover. Unlike premium ecosystems, IKEA's smart home devices are priced for experimentation. This lowers adoption barriers and accelerates ecosystem growth, a strategy Apple and Amazon cannot easily replicate. That pricing model has built emotional trust, and this trust is IKEA's strongest currency. As the days go by, more people trust IKEA with their smart homes. From furniture to lighting, IKEA's presence has built familiarity. Their smart home products feel like natural upgrades, not invasive technology. This matters a lot when privacy concerns arise, and IKEA sidesteps that debate entirely. IKEA smart home devices avoid voice-first data collection and also minimize privacy risks. This is another factor that positions IKEA as a trusted alternative in a privacy-conscious smart home market. Trust and freedom shape their business model and explains how IKEA competes without data. Why IKEA wins without monetizing user data. IKEA sells homes, not habits. Unlike big tech, IKEA's smart home business isn't driven by data monetization. Their profit model aligns with physical retail and long-term household integration, not subscriptions. That clarity leads to a different future, one that doesn't feel like other technology in the same kind of business. The smartest homes don't feel smart at all. IKEA's 2026 smart home vision emphasizes calm technology devices that blend into everyday life. When smart homes stop demanding attention, adoption becomes universal. IKEA smart home devices for 2026 prove that affordable, Matter-compatible smart home technology can outperform premium ecosystems not by being louder, but by simple human connection. Smart homes are full of promise for the average customer. Imagine your lights, plugs, thermostats, blinds, sensors, and even coffee makers talking to each other and to you through apps, voice assistants, or routines. For years, Apple's HomeKit and Amazon's Alexa dominated this space. Apple promises a seamless, privacy-focused ecosystem. Amazon offers broad device support and easy voice control. But both come with some limitations, mostly around cost and ecosystem lock-in. Apple users often need expensive devices, like HomePod minis or Apple TVs, to serve as the hub for their HomeKit smart setups. Amazon's Echo devices can work as smart home hubs, but compatibility and deep integration can vary depending on the gadget brand involved. Over the years in the background, the tech world has been quietly building a new standard called Matter, a collaborative effort designed to make smart home devices truly interoperable across platforms and brands. And IKEA has made that bridge affordable. But their obvious success is not without challenges. Challenges and realities. It's not all perfect. Some users have reported connectivity issues when pairing IKEA's Matter devices, with devices failing to join the network or requiring extra steps to connect reliably. These glitches haven't stopped the momentum, but they show that new standards in affordable tech often face initial growing pains. Still, many users praise IKEA's approach specifically because it makes smart home tech accessible. It's important to note that IKEA's strategy isn't about replacing Apple or Amazon. It's about empowering consumers with choice. It's a reminder that you don't need to spend hundreds to begin building a smart home. It also shows how open standards like Matter could finally level the playing field. In a world where silent sockets, automatic lights, and smart blinds become the norm rather than the exception, the real winners will be people who embrace flexible ecosystems that let them mix and match devices without worrying about compatibility. IKEA's $70 hub is a milestone, the kind of product that makes you stop and think as well as celebrate. IKEA is simply spectacular. After dealing with the pain points of their customers, they then focus on scaling. And scale is another place IKEA dominates. 21 IKEA smart home devices that change everything. One device is a test. 21 shows deep commitment to excellence. IKEA's 2026 smart home lineup includes 21 Matter-compatible products. They have produced smart lighting, motion sensors, remotes, air quality monitors, and plugs. Each one of these products fits IKEA's philosophy. They are practical, affordable, and unobtrusive. These are smart home devices for real homes, not tech demos. The transformation started with light. IKEA's smart lighting for 2026 offers tunable white and color bulbs with Matter support with no proprietary hub required. Users can integrate lighting across platforms instantly, making this one of the most accessible smart home lighting systems available. Finally, you probably didn't expect a lamp to lead the smart home revolution. The Matter-enabled Varmblix lamp merges iconic IKEA design with smart functionality. It proves smart home devices don't need to look futuristic to be effective. In the end, the smartest home isn't the most expensive one. It's the one that works without friction. That's why a $70 device won where giants couldn't.